progress that we've made from manifesting the fruit, there were some things that the Lord instructed us that we needed to do, and we accomplished most of those things. And in so doing, the church has begun to see some stabilization and also some growth because of the things that we have embarked on doing from manifesting the fruit, which is really put us in perfect alignment with divine order. One of the main things that we're doing that we had not done in the past is we now have a food bank that we're able to feed people within the community. We do this once a month on a Saturday where we allow families to come to the church and we give them groceries that would last them hopefully for about 2, maybe 3 weeks. In highlighting a few key members, the #1 member that I would have to highlight would have to be the First Lady. She has really gone over and above and beyond the call of duty in doing things for the ministry and for the church, and also keeping me in check, as well as taking care of family and working a job. She is one person who definitely needs to be highlighted. Also, I'd like to highlight Deacon Anderson Blair, who takes it upon himself to do so many things around the church, and he looks for no accolades in return. He just wants to be a blessing.